My name is Barrister J.C. Okejo Onakalusi. Mr. Speaker and distinguished colleagues, I represent the Nigerians, especially the habit of Lagos, Ocho Solo. Mr. Speaker, I have two worded petition written to you because of your antecedent in answering people's questions. This one is signed on behalf of Umunala community in Oka, Anambra State. Signed by Sam Madibuko Chidebe Joseph, Honorable Uchenna Okonkwo, and 3 others against one Kinsley, Emeka Wanne Ogojofo, aka Emeka Morgan, who have been using the instrument of police to threaten the lives of this community, harass, intimidate. Mr. Speaker and distinguished colleagues, the petitioners are craving your indulgence to put a stop to this harassment. And the second one is from Mr. Victor Osini on behalf of Umuti community, Ndokwa East, local government of Delta State. And the petition goes as this: petition to the Speaker of the House of Representatives from the operation by Nigerian Petroleum Development Company operating in Ndokwa for non-compliance with the provision of the Petroleum Industrial Act, Section 351 Sub 2, Section 424 Sub 1 and Sub 2 of the Petroleum Industrial Act regarding the appointment of Umuti community to the Host Community Development Trust Board in Nigeria. Mr. Speaker and distinguished colleagues, their prayers are well engrafted. And Mr. Speaker, I seek your imprimatur to lay this petition.
Petition from everywhere and bring to this place. This place, we all represent constituencies. You focus your attention to the place you represent. You can't go around the country scouring for petitions and bring them here. If they approach you, tell them to go and meet the member representing the area. At the very least, you consult the person representing the area, and 2 of you can work on it. This, my honorable friend here, represents a constituency in Lagos. What I'm saying is that the petition is talking about concerns somewhere in Anambra State. It might be from Anambra, but for the purpose of this house, it represents a constituency in Lagos State. That is the constituency. We don't all, for clarity, let me read this place to you, sir.
No, I understand you don't need to read anything.
Okay, so that's the point. A few weeks ago.
Thank you so much for the observation. I think petition from another constituency, because the whole entire country is our constituency. But as much as possible, we need to be restricting ourselves to our constituencies. Where we need to take any petition from any other constituency, there is the need for us to really liaise with the member representing that constituency, so that at least we appear to be working on the same issue. I don't think if we need to debate on that. It is a point of order, and it is noted. And please, members, let us adhere as much as possible to restrict ourselves to our constituencies, and where we need to go beyond, let there be some kind of consultation with the member representing that particular constituency. Thank you very much.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.